Good morning. I am Dr. P. Divya, Assistant Professor, the Department of Physics, Dr. MGR University. Today we are going to see the lecture topic on properties of nucleus. What is meant by nucleus? We already know the nucleus consists of elementary particles, that is, protons and neutrons, which is known as nucleons. What is meant by protons? The protons has positive charge of same magnitude as that of electron and its mass is about 1836 times the mass of electron. What is meant by neutron? Neutron is electrically neutral whose mass is almost equal to the mass of proton. Nucleus. The nucleus of an element is represented as x to the power of a by z. What is x? X is a chemical symbol of the element. Z represents the atomic number which is equal to the number of protons and the a is the mass number which is equal to the total number of protons and neutrons. The number of neutrons is represented as n which is equal to Az. For example, if you take the chlorine, its nucleus is represented as Cl to the power of 35 by 17. So it contains 17 number of protons and 18 number of neutrons. What is the properties of nucleus? There will be some properties of nucleus, that is, what are all its properties means general properties. It consists of nuclear size, nuclear charge, nuclear mass and nuclear density. Now let us see what is meant by nuclear size. According to Rutherford particle scattering, the radius of the nucleus, that is, we already know what is meant by radius. The radius is r, it is denoted by the symbol r, and its mass number is a. So, it's given by the formula r is directly proportional to a to the power of 1 by 3. That is, r equal to r naught a to the power of 1 by 3. So, what is r naught? R naught is a constant of proportionality symbol and its value is equal to 1.3 F, that is 1 Fermi equals to 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Next, coming on to nuclear charge. What is a nuclear charge? It's the nucleus, the charge of the nucleus is due to protons present in it. So how many number of protons present in the nucleus, it denotes the charge. So each proton has a positive charge equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So the nuclear charge formula is equal to Z into E, where E is the atomic number. Nuclear mass. The unit of mass is kg. One atomic mass unit is considered as 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. Carbon atomic number is 6 and the mass number is 12 and has mass equal to 12 AMU. 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So the mass of the proton MP equal to 1.007276 AMU. The mass of a neutron is equal to 1.0086. Nuclear mass of the energy equivalent formula, that is, you can denote the nuclear mass using the energy equivalent formula. We already know what is meant by energy. Energy is equal to E is equal to mc square, where m is equal to 1 atomic per unit. So 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and c we have already know the velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and E equals to, now everything you want to substitute in the formula, E equal to mc square. 1 electron volt is defined as the energy of an electron when it is accelerated to a potential difference of 1 volt. So 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. and 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. E equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 the whole square divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. So electron volt equal to 931 million electron volts. That is, we can write it as 931 milli electron volt. So energy equivalent of 1 AMU equal to 931 milli electron volts. Nuclear density. Nuclear density can be calculated from mass and size of the nucleus. So rho n equal to nuclear mass divided by nuclear volume. So nuclear mass equals to AMN, where A equal to mass number and Mn equal to mass of one nucleon, and it is approximately equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Nuclear volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho n equals to Mn 4 by 3 pi r naught cube. The nuclear density is calculated as 1.816 into 10 to the power 17 kilogram per meter cube. The high value of nuclear density shows that the nuclear matter is extremely a compressed state. Thank you.